This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw for tonkatsu. We'll start by selecting a crisp, green head of cabbage, ensuring it's fresh for the best texture. After removing any bruised outer leaves, we'll quarter it and carefully cut out the tough core. The key to perfect tonkatsu coleslaw is slicing the cabbage incredibly thin, aiming for about 1 millimeter in thickness. This delicate cut makes it light and enjoyable with your meal. After slicing, we'll soak the shredded cabbage in a bowl of ice-cold water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This simple trick is essential for achieving that wonderfully crisp texture that complements tonkatsu so well. Once soaked, it's crucial to drain the cabbage thoroughly. You can use a salad spinner or gently pat it dry with paper towels to remove all excess moisture, ensuring your dressing won't be diluted. Now, let's create a simple yet delicious dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. A pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper will enhance the flavors. Taste and adjust the sweetness or tanginess as needed. This creamy, slightly sweet, and tangy dressing perfectly balances the richness of tonkatsu. Finally, it's time to combine our perfectly crisp cabbage with the creamy dressing. Gently add the dressing to the dried cabbage in a large bowl. Toss everything together until every strand of cabbage is evenly coated. For the best texture and flavor, serve your tonkatsu coleslaw immediately. A small sprinkle of fresh parsley can add a nice touch, completing this delightful side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.